Alright, 2016 Mercedes E350 spark plugs on this side. Gonna push these things in through here. It's gonna come off. Alright, got two screws here, one here, one here. Unplug this, push it up. You're gonna put it to the side like that. Here's the coils. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pretty much. You know what to do with this. Pull it back, press it, remove it. Alright. The same with the rest. 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350. Spark plugs and coils. Replacement. Yeah. Coils. The connectors. Now the fasteners. Yeah. Alright. Alright, to pull out this baby, you're gonna need this. Because these coils are like an angle. Come here like that, but feel me? You did? We're gonna get this 14 special. Let me put it in there. I got it from Amazon. This 14 millimeter tin wall, 3/8. Right. Magnetized. To do this, then this guy, gonna pull it. This is the motherboard. Pull it all the way, lights up. This one you gotta do the same. Look here. Okay, to remove this, the other connector, the F. Okay. Once you do both, you can do this guy too. Put it up, then press it, remove it. It's gonna go with the motherboard to the side. Okay. Now you're gonna come through here. You remove that board, the motherboard. Just press on WD-40 in this, guys. Two at the bottom. Pry with this. Here's how, guys. I'm gonna give you a trick real quick of a chair, right? Get you one of this. I'm gonna poke it through here. Like this. And then this one, you push it. It's gonna come off. Alright. See what I do. For the second one, or the one in the middle, grab it like that. Push it back. Pull the coil out. That's why you need this guy. This guy is very, very, very essential. Alright. You see the shape. I'll put it in the description box so you can get it. It's a set. This is a two-piece part. You don't need to remove the motherboard from this piece. Just put the fasteners back and yeah, put it back.